Hello kids and welcome to today's maths class. Before we begin, let me tell you a story about Terry the tiger. It was Terry's birthday and all his friends came for his party. They decided to play a game to see who could blow the most number of balloons. Zoe Zebra blew 2 balloons, while the rabbit blew 3 balloons. Mr. Bear blew only 1 balloon and Monkey blew 4 balloons. Terry was very happy and wanted to see how many balloons did they have all together. So he began to count all their balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wow! Altogether they had blown 10 balloons. They were so happy that they blew 10 balloons all together. Children, do you know that what Terry the tiger did is called addition? Addition means combining, joining or bringing together many things. When we bring together or add numbers in maths, we use a special sign called the plus sign. So, we can say that 1 plus 1 will give us 2 or 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Here I have with me a special magical thing that is going to help me to learn to add different objects like these cotton balls. Come children, learn to add with me. First, we will add 2 plus 3 and then we will see how many we get all together. Let us drop 2 balls in the first pipe. 1 and 2. Now we will drop 3 balls in the second pipe. 1, 2 and 3. Let us count how many we have got all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Now let us add together 4 plus 2. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And on the other side we will drop 2 balls. Count with me children. 1 and 2. Very good. Now let us count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means 4 plus 2 will give us a total of 6. Now let's try and add 7 plus 1. So we will drop 7 balls here and 1 ball here to see how many we get all together. Count with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. plus 1 on the other side. Only 1. Now let us count all of them together. Let me arrange them neatly so you can see. Count with me to find out how much is 7 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus 1 will give us a total of 8 balls. Let's try one more. 2 plus 5. 1, 2 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's count them all together now and see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Very good, children. I hope you have understood how to add numbers. See you again next time. Until then, bye-bye.